Welcome. This video will describe the process for creating a box plot using Excel. The box plot is a graphical display of 5 values that summarize your data. These values are usually referred to as the 5-number summary. They consist of the minimum, the first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum of your data set. The box plot is a nice visual that will share the shape of the distribution for a data set. The center box contains the middle 50% of values between the first quartile and the third quartile. The leftmost and rightmost dotted vertical lines show the minimum and the maximum for that data set. We can do this in Excel using a few functions as well as the box plot workbook. The workbook makes it really easy to graph the 5-number summary. All we need to provide the workbook is the 5 values to graph. So let's do an example. For this example, we will look at a data set of daily changes in stock prices for Crocs Incorporated, the shoe company. I have downloaded the data for the past 6 weeks of this stock and also run the descriptive statistics summary table on the daily change in stock prices here. I will make a simple table, title it 5-number summary, and describe the 5 values that I need. Minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. The minimum, median, and maximum are already done for us in the descriptive statistics summary table. I will link their values by typing equals and then the cell where they are. I'll do this for the minimum, the median, and the maximum. For the quartiles, I will use the quartile.exe function. It's the exclusive quartile function. This means that it will calculate the 25% data value exclusively, not including any values before this data set or data point. I will click on the Formulas tab, and actually I'll first click on the cell where I want the formula to go. Then I'll click on the Formulas tab and Insert function. I'll make sure to search under the statistical functions and search down until I find the quartiles.exe function. Clicking on OK. I will use the selection button to select the array of data values, then type 1 for the quartile to give me the first quartile value. Click on OK. This shows me the value for the first quartile is 0.01. I can repeat this process also for the third quartile. Insert function. Search for quartile.exe, select the data set, type 3 for the third quartile, and click on OK. This shows me that value for the second quartile is 0.23. Now that I have my 5 values for the 5-number summary describing my data set, I will copy these values and paste them into the box plot workbook. I will make sure that I'm just pasting the values from my calculation. And there you are, the box plot for the daily change in stock prices for the Crocs Shoe Company. From this visual, we can discuss the shape of the distribution, and this is an important skill in discussing data. If you have any questions on creating a box plot, please ask your instructor. Enjoy!